Hey everyone, one gadget that can only be characterized as a contemporary technological brick is the Blackview XPLORE 1. It is enormous, unabashedly large, and obviously made for people who value tough dependability and long battery life over mobility or svelte looks. This phone is unique due to its massive 20,000 milliampere hours battery, which exceeds the capacity of the majority of popular smartphones, and places it squarely in the ultra-rugged, long-lasting device category. With MILSTD durability requirements and IP68 and IP69K protection, the phone is constructed like a tank. It is resistant to dust, drops, and complete submersion in water. With a large metal camera block, several sensors, and even a secondary screen on the rear, Blackview's design blends plastic, rubber, and metal to create a tough yet somehow futuristic appearance. With a weight of 638 grams and a thickness of almost 3 centimeters, this device is too heavy for most people to carry in their pockets, yet it will survive for days without needing to be charged. Blackview has an infrared port and 2 powerful 170 lumen spotlights on top. Customizable buttons, SIM and micro SD slots, and a fingerprint scanner built into the power button are all located on the sides. Face unlock is also supported by the phone. The 6.78-inch Full HD Plus screen has Gorilla Glass protection, 700 nits of brightness, a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, and a resolution of 2460 by 1080. The screen quality is surprisingly outstanding for the category, with strong color reproduction and visibility at wide angles, despite the huge bezels that are typical of rugged devices. The secondary 2-inch color display on the back is a noteworthy feature. It acts as a quick access center for weather, fitness tracking, music control, notifications, and even a compass. The Dimensity 7050, a mid-range processor with 5G capability, manages performance. It offers steady performance for daily work, media consumption, and moderate gaming, but it is hardly a gaming powerhouse. Benchmark results do not represent high-end performance, but rather the product's place in the middle range. Configurations include 512 gigs of storage and up to 16 gigs of RAM, guaranteeing more than enough memory for storage and multitasking requirements. With a 64 megapixels primary sensor, a 20 megapixels night vision camera, and a 50 megapixels Samsung selfie camera, the camera's performance is adequate. Although they are obviously not the primary selling point, the photos are respectable for a tough gadget. Digital stabilization performs fairly well, and video recording peaks at 4K 30 frames per second. In the end, not everyone is a good fit for the Blackview XPLORE 1. Most users find it impossible to carry around on a daily basis due to its size and weight, but it fits a niche for people who require features like dual spotlights, night vision, and a secondary display, as well as high endurance and robust sturdiness. It is most likely to be appreciated by truckers, outdoor laborers, military personnel, and fans of large gadgets. It offers remarkable battery life, decent performance, and a surprisingly high degree of adaptability for its class at a price range that is significantly lower than competitors like the Fossabot F107 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.